Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to change mobile hotspot name in Samsung phone. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your settings app on your phone. It's right here. Just click on settings app, then you should choose connection. It's right here. Then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. And there will be several options. You have to choose mobile hotspot. And this is my mobile hotspot name, and I'm going to change this network name. All right, and we can click on configure right here. Then we can change the network name. Enter your network name that you like, for example all right, like this. And after you enter your network name, you can click on save right here. Alright, and that's so easy, right? And now the network name or mobile hotspot name has been changed, and that's how we can change mobile hotspot name in Samsung phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.